Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on ClearScore. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in clearscore.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official ClearScore website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will end up within the login portal. Now from this page, simply type in your email address that you used while signing up and then type in your account password underneath. In case you have forgotten your password, you will be able to find the Forgot Password button alongside the password menu. After entering both of your credentials, make sure you check the Remember This browser option only if your device is a private device, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, you will immediately be logged in to your ClearScore account, and now you can start determining your credit score right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your existing account on ClearScore. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.